The Justice Department has resumed its probe into the disappearance of more than 30 cockfight enthusiasts. Here's the report.
The PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group has submitted missing supplemental evidence to the Justice Department's preliminary investigation into the disappearance of dozens of cockfight enthusiasts. Included are 5 flash drives previously requested by the camp of businessman Charlie Atong Ang. His lawyers had argued they could not file a counter affidavit without these.
Nakapag-submit po today ang CIDG ng 5 additional na USB at 5 affidavit na idinadagdag nila dun sa nasabi ko nung una, 7 folder yung binigay sa amin na mga 1 pie ang kapal, ano? Yun, dagdagan nila yun ngayon ng 5 affidavit pa at 5 USB. Sa Miyerkules po, may sasubmit po sila na isa pang USB. So sa pangkalahatan po, 6 ang USB na isinasubmit ng CIDG at tinatanggap ng panel prosecutors.
Out of more than 60 respondents facing complaints of multiple murder and kidnapping with serious illegal detention, only actress Gretchen Barreto has so far filed a counter affidavit. 5 new affidavits were also given to Ang's camp and other respondents, one of them from Glir Codilla, Ang's former security guard and among those accused in the Manila Arena disappearances.
It does not prevent naman whether a respondent will submit an affidavit in support of the complainant. So they would be a witness and respondent at the same time, like Patidongan, di ba? Nag-submit din siya ng affidavit niya, although he is a respondent in this case.
Ang is one of those being tagged as a mastermind in the disappearance of over 30 cockfight players between 2021 and 2022, according to whistleblower Julie Dondon Patidongan. He has denied Patidongan's allegations. He is expected to appear on November 3 when the DOJ resumes its preliminary investigation to submit his counter affidavit. Meanwhile, families of the missing Sabongeros remain determined to pursue justice.
Kailangan po talaga namin na ipakita kung gaano po kami seryoso sa aming mga ipinaglalaban. Sobrang hirap po, abala sa trabaho, kahit bumabagyo, kailangan talaga naming lumaban.
Kung gusto po namin paayos noon pa, pero sa case po namin walang katanggap kahit na ano.
Ayan,
Yun, dapat
kasi
talaga
for the meantime, medyo natabunan tong issue na to nung pumutok na ito mga flood
dapat
control
wag mo kalimutan
projects.
because this is also a very serious case because it only reflects not only in case ni dito about this but a lot of things like this are happening na hindi pa nakakasuhan
Yes,
so we should set an example.
And also, whatever happened to the search sa may Tagaytay, 'di ba? Medyo wala na rin tayong update doon. And yun doon sa mga bones na nakalap nila, ano yung naging resulta noon.
Yes.
There were partial results that came in, 'di ba? Pero I think hindi pa lahat. So, yun,
Parang
kailangan
dito,
din natin ng update regarding
More
that.
than this kasi closure for the families
Yeah.
and accountability sa mga nagkasala dito.